The introduction of toll fees on the Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 has been met with mixed reviews by bus operators in Manchester. As you'll hear in this report, due to the rates, it could be backed.
It's using the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. But starting today, December 27, drivers of Class 1 vehicles must now pay $450, Class 2 $750, and Class 3 $1,400. While it did not come as a surprise, bus operators who travel daily from Manchester to Kingston are now rethinking their routes.
For a coaster, the cost for it is $1,400 to go Kingston and $1,400 come back, $2,800. And for the passenger, then we can't really say, boy, we are going to charge them extra, but if they're willing to give you an extra $50 towards the toll, well, we can work with it. And if them not work with that now, we have to just use the old road to pour us.
But through areas like Porous and Old Harbour means a long journey, as this bus operator explained.
If we drive on the old road, what time I go reach our Caribbean work, I live from Monday to Kingston. If reach our 8 o'clock, I reach 9 o'clock, I reach 7:30. What I do now to kind of cut down the cost, I use a tag. You understand? I use a tag to cut down the cost, because the tag they save at $20 or at $30.
The introduction of the toll rates also comes at a time when bus operators are facing stiff competition from the Jamaica Urban Transit Company. Earlier this year, the JUTC launched 3 daily routes from Mandeville to downtown Kingston, offering lower fares.
If we have a bus here loading for Kingston and the JUTC bus pull up, if we want 1 or 2 passengers to finish load, when the JUTC bus arrive, everyone exit the bus. No one took your bus until the JUTC left. So when operators used to run 2 trips to balance out them finance, ending up only running 1 now.
It's why the operators are again calling on the authorities for some reprieve to prevent them from going out of business. Janella Precious, TVJ News.